Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can order from the Sephora app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Sephora app. Then go to the products on the bottom, second icon. Then search for that a product what you would like to order. For example, hair moisturizer or perfume. Tap on the product what you like and then tap on the bottom, add to your cart. And now it is in your cart. If you go back, on the top right corner you will see your basket. It has one item. Then on the bottom, tap on order. You have to select your county, your city. You have to give your address. You have to accept the terms and conditions and that you are over 16. Then you have to give your phone number and tap on confirm. After you confirm, you have to give the address. For example, you can select an easy box, and you have to select the payment method to give a card. Then you have to accept the terms, and on the bottom you have to tap on confirm and pay. And after you tapped on this button, you ordered your products. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.